Welcome to this explainer on the 2026 AI investment blueprint. All right, let's just dive right in.
While most AI stocks are hyped up, one sector is secretly powering literally everything behind the scenes. The magic year here is 2026. We're looking at a massive boom across four totally distinct pillars. First up, nvidia. They're basically providing the raw muscle. It's the absolute bedrock of this entire revolution. Their chips are the literal engines running everything, from chatgpt to crazy advanced military tech. Next is Microsoft. They grabbed a huge first mover advantage by pouring billions into OpenAI early on.
So now they're just weaving AI into everything you use daily: Windows, Office, and the whole cloud.
Then there's Palantir for high-stakes data. They handle insanely complex, secure analysis on a global scale. They're actually deploying AI to solve massive mission-critical problems for national defense and huge government agencies.
Finally, Tesla. And look, to get their 2026 potential, we really gotta stop calling them just a car maker. Because in reality, they're pioneering the physical side of AI, like full self-driving and actual humanoid robots.
So it's a complete ecosystem, right? NVIDIA's hardware, Microsoft's software, Palantir's defense, and Tesla's cutting-edge robotics.
This blueprint hints that this massive 2026 boom could literally forge the next generation of tech billionaires.
But hey, this kind of wealth shift only rewards folks who position themselves way ahead of the curve. Which brings us to the ultimate question for this whole explainer. Are you paying attention right now?